Okay, so here we are with a new update for Aimogen. I'm Sabi from CodeRevolution, and today I'm bringing a new feature for OmniBlocks. You will be able to use XLSX files and load file content OmniBlock type. So for this to be used, you will need to upload your XLSX file to OmniBlock files. For this, go to AI OmniBlocks menu, OmniBlock files, and select the file that you want to upload. It's an XLSX file in this case, and click upload OmniBlock file, and afterwards your file will be uploaded. In this case it's this little file, so let's re-upload it, as I'm not sure if I saved it correctly, but let me re-upload it. And this is the file. So WordPress plugin development on the first line, Instagram marketing strategies on the second line. So keep in mind this can be also in a single cell or in multiple cells, because you will be able to use in the OmniBlock manager a new block type in the latest version of the plugin. And here in the block selector, which type of block you want to add to the queue, you can select the load file content block type, and this will change here, and the XLSX file that we uploaded will appear. So we can drag and drop this into our queue. So let's remove other OmniBlocks that are not needed in this case, and simply leave in the load file content OmniBlock. So keep in mind that you can also add an AI text OmniBlock and use the contents which this file produces in the AI text OmniBlock to feed it into the prompt sent to the AI. But in this case I will not do this, just for simplicity. Instead I will be creating a test post, and here I will be using the shortcodes provided by this OmniBlock, and the XLSX related shortcodes are visible if you hover your mouse over the file to load tooltip here, and you will see that XLSX block ID, row, column number or column with a number, row with a number, random row, and random row check. So check means that it also checks if the text was already used as a post title, and if it finds that it was used as a post title of an existing post title in WordPress, it will skip that row and it will select another row, a random row value. So let me show you this. And first let's use this in this OmniBlock to create an XLSX file content in the post content. So for this, let's manually create a new shortcode XLSX, and the ID of this OmniBlock is AK. So AK, and afterwards we will be able to select, for example, the value of row number 1. So row 1, and don't forget to also close the OmniBlock shortcode value and click save. Don't forget to also add a keyword here, just to be sure that your rule is saving. And now we can create the post, and in the post content we should see the row 1 value, which is WordPress plugin development, and this was extracted from the OmniBlock content. So if we see the test, WordPress plugin development, and keep in mind that the most powerful feature of this will not be that it should create posts with content extracted from the XLSX, but the most powerful feature will be that it can feed this content directly as prompts in the AI. So if we rearrange our OmniBlocks here, so the save post should be the last one, and after, so first one is the load file content to get the content from the XLSX file. The AI text will generate our text. So for example, in this case, let me write a sentence about and the content of row 1. We can also change this to row 2, for example, to get Instagram marketing strategies. And also keep in mind that you can get the random row for this shortcode block ID row random, and row random check will check if the text that it extracts from the block was already used as a post title. But you will be able to also use columns, or this first shortcode will get the specific value of a cell. So row number and column number will get the value of a single cell. So this cell is 1 1, this cell is row 1 column 2, and so on. Okay, so we have now sent to the AI write a sentence about the second row, and in the post content, instead of the XLSX content, we use the shortcode generated by the ID opt8 AI text OmniBlock, which is this one. And now we can simply save settings. Let us delete the previous post and run the AI generator again. And if we check this, in the test post, we will get a sentence: Instagram marketing strategies can greatly enhance a business's visibility. But this is just an example. You can use this at many levels, so keep in mind this will be very useful for you guys, as XLSX values can be extracted one by one or selectively. So this is it has many advantages over text files, which were supported until now in the load file content OmniBlock, as XLSX files can Excel files can get values from rows, columns, and also from specific cells from this document. Okay, so if you have more ideas, suggestions, let me know in the comments. Aimogen is linked in this video's description. And yeah, thank you for watching until the end. This is all. Bye bye.